Hi, in this video we're going to show you an easy way to schedule meetings with other people and actually have them choose some times based on your availability, and then once they select a time it'll come back to you and automatically put it on your calendar. So we're going to be using a free extension called Meeting Scheduler for Gmail by CloudHQ. So CloudHQ, they have a lot of stuff for Gmail and Chrome and that type of thing. So this is one of their extensions. So we're just going to add it to Chrome like any other extension. And it should work for Edge as well. You just have a button that says Get instead of Add to Chrome. So we'll click on that. Make sure you agree with the permissions, Add Extension. It'll refresh your Gmail. Give you an example here, which we'll close out. Okay, so this is Todd here. And then we're going to send a request to Cindy to have her pick a meeting time based on our availability here for Todd. Okay, so we're going to do a new email. Send it to Cindy. We'll call this HR meeting. All right, so now we'll click on the icon down here that says Meeting Scheduler for Gmail. Okay, so the first time you run this has been installed on this computer before, it's going to ask you some permission questions and going to have to connect to your Google Calendar, so you'll have to pick your Google account and grant it access, but that's already been done on this computer. All right, so we're going to be using my calendar. You could use other calendars if you have more than one. You could change the title here. Let's just call this HR meeting. You could even enter your phone number or Zoom links. Let's just call this HR planning meeting. Pick the duration, anything about travel time. You could change the text that is used for the link. You could make it a button if you want, like so, like that. All right, so now up here you pick your availability. So let's say we're only available Tuesday or Wednesday. So Tuesday we're available from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then Wednesday we're available 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, so that's our availability. So we need Cindy to pick a date and time that matches our availability here. You could also check this for same-day booking or only valid for a particular date range. Okay, so we'll insert meeting invite link. This is a little big here. I'm recording at a low resolution, so it'll probably look better when you try it yourself here. So we'll send it off. Okay, then we'll go over to Cindy's email and wait for it to come in. All right, there it is. Okay, so please pick a time that works for you, and here's the button that we made. So it opens up a window here. So you can see these dates are unavailable, then our Tuesday and our Wednesday. So we set Wednesday from 12 to 3. So it's, ends at 2:30. So we go 2:30 to 3 since it's a 30-minute meeting. And then our Tuesday from 8 to 11. So let's say 9 o'clock on Tuesday works good. Okay, so this screen shows that it's been confirmed, date and time. Then this is the stuff that was in the setup on the other end. I just left the defaults. But obviously you're going to want to change the phone number or Zoom link. And here's the 30 minutes. You could cancel it, modify it, or schedule another meeting. And if they click this button, they could install the extension on their end. All right, so let's go back to Todd, the guy who set the dates here for Cindy to pick from. Okay, meeting booked by Cindy, HR meeting. So it has the date here, the subject, the same information, and the attendee. We have more details. And that'll open up your calendar here and open the meeting details itself right there. So Tuesday, May 21st at 9 o'clock till 9:30. Then we have Todd, the organizer, who sent out the available dates. Then we have Cindy, who picked the date, and we have that same information. And then yes is checked saying that we're going. Then we have it on our calendar. Okay, let's go back to Cindy. Let's go to her calendar. So we have May 21st, the HR meeting, same information. And then there's some options here to modify or cancel this meeting. You click on this link, and this takes you back to the same screen here. All right, so it takes a little getting used to because it's a lot of back and forth, and you kind of have to figure out who's doing what, especially when I'm trying to show you both ends. It might be a little confusing. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download the meeting scheduler extension, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.